Yes! Alright guys, and in this video I'll be doing an install of this K&N air filter for my Mercedes A250. I'm over there, that's why I'm not looking at you. So first of all, this is a panel filter. I'll put a link up here. Don't know what side it goes on, but there's a link to show you my old car, and that's the cone induction filter that was installed compared to a panel which is more flat like a panel, hence the word panel. The reason why I've gone for this is because it does not invalidate the warranty. K&N give you a guarantee that it's not going to go wrong, and if anything goes wrong, they'll repair it. I don't know whether that's true or not, but hey. So speaking to a fellow Instagrammer, Drew_A250, he knows absolutely everything about these cars, and he specifically had one of these and it gave him louder pops, but the only catch is that you'd have to run Tesco Momentum, which is premium fuel, and it's a bit more expensive, but it gives you nice bangs and loud pops when you're changing gear, or when you're going down the gears, gives you those nice crackles. So yeah, I'm gonna run this, see how it goes, and I'll also do a comparison so you can hear how loud it sounds with that one on, the stock one, and this one. So for every line of this, every one of these lines, you get 0.1, so I believe I've got 10.
That smell like shit, Rick. Do you smell shit? I smell shit.
I believe I've got 10, which makes 1. So if you have 20, I'm joking, this doesn't matter, but at the end of the day, it's not going to give you loads more power at all. It's mainly going to let the car breathe easier because it's not as restrictive, and it's going to give you cleaner air.
Okay, so as you can see, it is a bit overexposed, but that's only so you can see. I've done the filter already, but when I used my GoPro, it didn't record. It recorded the screen. It was all rubbish. I'm going to do it again, but there's 4 screws you have to remove. They're Torx 20, so they're T20 screws. They're 1, 2, 3, and 4. You've got to remove 4 of those screws, and then you've also got to remove the engine cover out of the way, so that way you're able to bend this to the left to remove the old filter.
Very careful when you're removing the air cover, so that way the screws don't fall out, because it's not nice losing screws. So as you can see, we've now removed the air filter. That is how it looks in comparison to the old one. It's not as deep as the other one. It's obviously the same length and width, but in terms of depth, it's not the same. And in terms of material, this is a lot higher grade material. This can literally rip and bend. It's like that musical instrument, I can't remember.
What's going on in Chicago? Like, what is going on? There's no excuse for it.
What it's called, but yeah. When putting it back, you've got to just follow the same method. So imagine you've taken out the old one, now you're putting in the new one. Slide it in, it should drop straight in, and then you put all the screws back in reverse. So I just got back from my drive to the Autobahn in Germany, and what I can say is that it's not a huge difference, but I can notice an improved throttle response. In terms of noise, it's not a huge difference, but I have noticed that the cracks and popples when I'm changing through the gears are slightly deeper, a bit more bassy, but maybe as the car reads it over time it might change, but that's all a bit complicated. But overall, I'm happy because I know that the car's going to breathe better. It's something I can just clean and change myself every year, and I'm good to go. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Give it a like if the video's helped. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next Monday. God bless.